Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on Infiniti FX35 step by step. Begin by turning the ignition to on without starting the engine and make sure the display is active. Use the trip/reset button to cycle through display modes until you see oil life. Hold the button for several seconds until the oil life resets to 100% and then confirm the change on the screen. Now let's walk the display steps in plain terms so you won't miss a click. Tap the trip button repeatedly until the oil life screen appears on the cluster. When oil life is shown, press and hold the trip button for about 5 seconds until the percentage blinks or changes. Release the button and verify the readout now shows 100%, confirming the reset is complete and saved. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. On another note, I've been using the Oala water bottle and it keeps my drinks cold while I work on cars, so I highly recommend it for long sessions in the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if it sounds useful, grab one. Now let's get back to the video. If the reset doesn't take first try, don't worry, a quick retry usually fixes it. Turn ignition fully off, wait a few seconds, then repeat the process of cycling to oil life and holding the button. Confirm no warning lights remain after the reset. If the dash behaves differently, consult the owner's guide or contact a technician to check for stored codes that may prevent a manual reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.